Hello, hello! Welcome back to the Luana English Podcast. I'm your host, Luana, and I am so happy you are here to learn with us today.
And I'm Joe Samar. Hi, everyone. Luana, you sound very excited today.
I am, because today we are talking about something that makes students very nervous. We are talking about lazy English.
You mean contractions, right? Words like gonna, wanna, and gotta.
Exactly. These aren't bad English, but they are very natural. If you want to understand movies or music, you need to know these. So, listeners, grab a coffee and let's get started. So, Josamar, I have a plan for this weekend. I'm gonna go to the beach.
Wait, Luana, you said gonna. For our beginners, that is going to, right?
Yes, I am going to go becomes I'm gonna go. It's much faster. Do you have plans?
Well, I want to stay home and read a book.
Wanna. That's want to.
Exactly. I want to stay is a bit formal for a chat between friends. I just say I want to stay.
That's a good one. But Josamar, you gotta come outside. The weather is beautiful.
Gotta? That's got to, meaning must or need to, right?
Yes, you gotta enjoy the sun. It's better than a book.
Okay, maybe I'll come. But first, let me finish my work.
Lemme. Let me. I love that one. It sounds so smooth. Let me check my calendar. Let me see.
It's interesting, Luana, we don't really write these in formal emails to a boss, do we?
Oh, definitely not. You should write, I am going to, but when you speak to your friends or family, gonna is king.
It's about the rhythm of the language. English speakers like to connect words to save energy.
We are a bit lazy when we speak, aren't we? Okay, let's look closer at why we do this. Josamar, what is the most important rule for using these?
The most important thing is that these are informal. Use them with friends, at the supermarket, or in a cafe. But if you are in a job interview, use the full words.
Great point. Also, let's look at the grammar. For gonna, you still need the verb to be. Incorrect, I gonna eat. Correct, I am gonna eat, or I'm gonna eat.
That's a common mistake. And for wanna, remember it replaces want to. You cannot use it for wants to, third person. Example, he wants to go. You don't usually say he wanna go in standard A2 English.
And what about gotta?
Gotta usually comes after I, like I gotta go, I have got to go. It's very common when you're in a hurry.
I use that all the time when I'm late for our recording. Sorry, Josamar, I gotta run.
Yes, you do. And listeners, notice the sound. It's not got-ta with a hard T. It sounds more like a soft D in American English, gotta.
Let's recap 5 important ones we use today. Gonna, going to, used for future plans. Example, I'm gonna call you tomorrow. Wanna, want to, used for desires. Example, do you want to drink some water? Gotta, have to, or must, used for things you must do. Example, it's late, I gotta go to sleep. Lemme, let me, used to ask for permission or to offer help. Example, let me help you with those bags. And dunna, don't know. We didn't mention this one yet, but it's a bonus. Example, where are my keys? I don't know. Wow, 17 minutes goes by so fast.
It really does. Remember, listeners, you don't have to speak with contractions yet, but you must understand them when you hear them.
That's right. Your challenge for today, listen to your favorite English song and try to find one gonna or wanna. Write it down.
Thanks for joining us. You're doing a great job with your English.
See you next time on the Luana English Podcast. Bye.
Goodbye.